198. 34 on Columbian.
34, 155 Columbian Avenue. No white, green shirt, jeans, down and out in the street, 24/7 advised.
We copy.
911, where is your emergency?
In front of 155 Columbian, there is a guy, I don't know, they've picked him up before. I don't know if he has mental issues or if he's high. But he's laying in the middle of the street, his bike's in the middle of the street, and he was kind of dancing, but he's just laying there now by the curb. I don't know.
Is he white, black, or Hispanic?
He's white.
You know, color of shirt, pants he's wearing?
Jeans. He has a green T-shirt. He has a black sweatshirt laying on the street, and he has a blue one around his waist. No, it looks like he has black shoes on. But he's laying on the curb out into the street.
Okay. Did you want to speak to the officers when they get there?
No, I just think he needs medical help.
Okay, we'll get officers and medics up there as soon as we can.
Thank you. Bye.
Thanks.
You stopping? Hello? Hi.
How you doing?
How are you? Stay right there. Stop.
Good.
You're bleeding all over, man. Have a seat.
I just fell.
Okay, have a seat. It wasn't a question.
Sit down.
Have a seat.
I gotta grab my
You're being detained. Have a seat.
I gotta grab my wallet.
Have a seat. I do not want to touch you.
Stop, please.
I do not.
Stop.
Oh. He's gonna fall. He's literally gonna fall. He's bleeding all over the place.
198 Square.
Move out of the way.
I ain't do nothing.
Move out of the way.
Man,
You're being
I didn't do
detained.
anything.
I didn't say you did, but right now
For
you're
what?
being detained.
I fell on the ground, ma'am.
Give me your arm.
Why are you arresting me?
Do you know her?
It's on my arm.
All right, I gotta put gloves on.
I'm fine. I just fell asleep, sir.
We're gonna take a
I just fell asleep, man.
Walk outside.
I just fell asleep. Can you tell me why I'm being detained?
Yeah, you're being detained because
What?
you allegedly fell asleep. We had people saying that you had just overdosed. We got a medic here to check you out. There's scabs all
Walk
over
outside. You're bleeding.
you. Just
You
take
weren't
a
even
seat.
in trouble. We were just trying to check on you.
Sir, please stop.
Have a seat here, brother.
Get on.
Take a seat. You're not going to jail. Just sit down. They have to make sure
Have
you're
a seat.
okay.
Sit down.
Take a seat, man.
Take
a seat.
My eyes are way. It's way too much. I'm fine, you guys.
It's okay, bro.
Hey, buddy.
Sit down. Calm down, bro.
We got a medic coming, all right, man? What's your name, partner?
His name is Jeremiah Lewis. Jeremiah Lewis.
It's my little man for this thing.
Hey, man, don't be falling on
If
me.
you don't cooperate, I might just take you to jail for hitting me in the face.
He hit you?
Yeah, when he resisted and pulled away from me.
Yeah, he's got a couple charges he could get right now, but we're trying to make sure this goes smoothly. However, he decides. Hey, Jeremiah, what's your birthday, buddy?
I don't know his birthday.
That's all right, man. You're good.
How old is he?
Jeremiah,
27,
what'd you say?
like
9 what?
26, 27.
Jeremiah,
Do you have an ID on you?
what's your
Dang.
birthday?
I just fell asleep.
You know what happened to his arm?
I know, I just came. Sorry, bro.
What is he using?
Yeah,
Watch this arm here, man. I don't want to jam it up. It looks pretty.
yeah, that arm. He been through some stuff.
All right, pal.
What is he using?
I have no idea.
Who's coming, Lou?
Come on, bro. You're falling asleep. Wake up.
I'm fine, man.
Do you know what he uses, buddy?
I know.
No. Hey, Jeremiah. You look at me for a second, buddy. I'm gonna pull the sensor back. Hey, Ron, I'm gonna do
Get
that.
up.
Go for
Falling
it.
asleep, dude.
Yeah, you don't put a pen in jail.
We have
You're
the
not going to jail, bro.
T-Mac grabbing the boo-boo bag.
He's pulling in now.
Okay.
Radio destination.
Wake up, bro. Come on.
He's all right. He's all right.
Alright.
Hey, buddy, have a look at me real quick.
Properties 217, side holding 697 Brixham and 1348.
You able to tell me what you use, man? Hey, Speedy, why don't you go inside, dude?
You going something, Kelly. Go. Stop coming out. Stop being nosy. Go.
What happened to your ear?
See his arm?
Yes.
Like a dog bite or something.
Oh yeah, they do that dogs. My mom got bit by the dog before, so that's probably, he probably got bit.
All right, man. We got medic coming, all right?
This is what I'm going to
517. 17, go ahead. Yes, sir, it's Grand Falls diversion.
What are those people look like?
They're tight.
Message received.
You said we're getting 17? Does he live here?
Did he have a gray shirt on earlier today?
I seen him earlier. I seen him, Bob. He had a bike. He had my mom's bike. You know the bike set too?
Huh?
The person that called said he was laying in the street.
He ran on the floor right here.
Right here?
Right on the floor right there. He did the same thing as y'all. He ran.
Columbus Fire, medic 817. Has 2 transports to OSU.
Okay, bro.
Are you able to tell me anything of what happened today?
It was fine earlier. It wasn't like this.
Hey, Lou. Yeah. That medic gets here. You want to try and just walk him? You want to try getting under that arm and we'll walk him right into it? Yeah.
If you guys can stand up for a minute, I just want to pat him down before you put him in any of your vehicles.
Thank you.
You guys stop, please.
Dang, they're walking you to the ambulance.
Back up,
Okay.
back up.
Nah, you're not.
Back up.
You're not.
Back up.
You're not going to jail. You're not.
Back up for a minute.
You guys stop, please.
Dang, stop. You're not going to jail, man.
Oh, I got all this stuff.
You get inside the ambulance, you're bleeding.
Why? I don't go to the hospital.
You're not going to the hospital, you're bleeding. You're not going to the hospital. I'll go get her. I'll go get her.
You guys stop, please. Stop. I gotta tell my mom. No, tell my mom. No, please talk to my mom before we
Dang,
leave.
she's coming
You
outside.
guys stop, please.
She's coming
Let me talk to
outside.
my mom.
Dang, mom's
Sorry,
coming
let me talk to my
outside.
mom.
She's coming.
You guys let me talk to my mom, please.
You don't let her talk.
I don't want to go to the hospital.
Dang, she's right. Come here.
Mom, you're taking me to jail for nothing.
Not going to jail.
You're getting in a medic.
I'm in the wagon.
We were just trying to check on it.
You're not going to jail.
They said they're not going to take you to jail. They just want to look at you, make sure you're okay. Where's my wife that you
You guys stop, please.
Lay down.
Stop. Why am I going to jail for?
Not going to jail.
You guys stop, please. I'm fine. Will you please stop? You guys stop, please. Yes, you are.
No, you're not going to
Well, I
jail.
am. Talk to her, please. I didn't do anything. You guys got to tell me my rights. You guys got to tell me my rights.
Okay.
No, I'm not. That's why you guys are involved. I tell you where all your
The person said he was laying down in the street. There wasn't a bike.
You all right?
Yeah.
7314. Can you send me a incident number for this 10-5? That way it wouldn't fall in. Just put me on that run.
Be here last time?
No, I'm going with you.
Do you mind like loosening up his cuts? Because he got like cuts in.
When he calms down, I will.
A few moments later.
You guys are gonna blast my fucking heart! Let me home! Let me go home! You guys please let me go home! No, let me go home! I'm not doing anything wrong! You guys let me go home! Let me go home! Let me go home! You guys stop me go home! Why are you guys killing me
They're
for?
gonna 4-point restraint you.
Why are you guys holding me for?
got it out.
Please let me home! Please let me go home! I'm not doing anything wrong! Why are you guys hurting me? Please let me go home! Please let me go home! You guys are hurting me! Let me go home!
Good with that.
Let me home! You guys let me go home! Stop! Let me go home! Let me go home, please!
hospital.
No, please let me go home. You guys, please let me go home. I'm not done anything wrong. Why are you guys hurting me for? Why are you guys hurting me? Let me go home. Let me go home, ma'am. Ma'am, you guys let me go home. I'm not doing anything wrong. Please let me go home. Why am I at the hospital for? Please let me go home. You guys, please let me go home. I'm not doing anything wrong.
Somebody's about to hold.
Please let me go home. I'm not doing anything wrong. You guys stop, please.
Relax.
You guys, please let me go home. I'm not doing anything wrong. You guys, please let me go home. I'm not doing anything wrong.
Why am I
Please let me
getting
go
over and over
home.
on this run?
Man, please let me go home.
It won't happen to you then.
Thank you.
You guys, please let me go home.
Good.
You guys stop, let me go home.
Watch your speed, bro.
You guys let me go
Thank
home.
you.
You guys let me go home. Why are you guys messing with me for? Let me go home. Let me go home. Let me go home.
Bringing in the 152 and 9080.
You guys, please
When you
stop.
take the 60s off, that virtual time.
You guys let
Okay.
me go home.
That's what I figured.
Let me go home.
Need both of your help on 19 plates for gun run. Keeping copy 2555 Sullivan Ave.